Hey, what's happening, YouTube world? This is Busa. I just want to do a quick video to speak about the progress of the trade that we did on Monday. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of November 2016. Alright, so I'm looking at EURGBP, and we spoke about EURGBP on Monday to say that it has dropped for some few days. Last week, it was few days that it had dropped last week. You can see 1, 2, 3. So from here that it had dropped, so we were looking for a potential reversal pattern when we get down here at the bottom. So you can see that it has dropped significantly. This level, it consolidated, second level, consolidated, third level. So we had a 3-level drop, and we started to have a look for a reversal pattern. And if you can remember, which I recommended that you watch the last video, if I just zoom in where we were that particular time, you will be able to see that we were looking at this spike right here, that this could be an indication that more sellers were induced to sell, and then they were spiked out, and we had this spike on the low, and then price quickly moved up from there. Alright, so let me zoom out so that I can speak about that trade. Right, so we said that price fell down from up here, and from here we had a spike to the low, which trapped sellers, and then from the spike to the low, price moved up quickly, and then after moving up quickly, price consolidated above this trap zone right here. So price was consolidating above this area right here where there was a trap volume of sellers, right? Then we said there was two possibilities. We said that possibility number one, before I do possibility number one, just ignore this portion right here. This had not yet happened, so completely ignore that, because that is something that had not yet happened. Right. Alright, so we said there are two possibilities. Possibility number one is that price is going to rise. Man, I always do this. Sorry, guys. Alright, possibility number one is that price was going to rise, and we said that giving us a half a Batman pattern, which is also a reversal pattern, half a Batman because it has only one ear on the left. So this we consider as an ear, and then it goes all the way up to the top. And then we said that depending on what type of a trader, your first take profit could be here, and which is where I got out. So this was my first take profit, and from where we were looking about 90 or so pips, 70 something or so, and then depending on where you got in, you could have easily gotten about 97 pips or even 100 pips, right? Then the second area that I was looking at was this portion right here, that if you were to take the whole thing, could be about 200, potential 200 pips, right? So that was possibility number one, and depending on what type of a trader you are, if you are somebody that goes in and out in a day, you're an intraday, you don't like holding your positions for longer, in and out, I mean, yesterday you could have just closed this with about 100 pips, and you would have been sorted. And then we said that possibility number two is that price can come back down a little bit, right, and giving us a second ear of the Batman and begin to pull straight out again, right? So this was possibility number two, that it can come back down and again pulled back up, giving us 2 ears, which is now a full Batman, right? So that was another possibility right there. Okay, but now let's have a look at what happened, right? So I'm going to remove this box so that we can take a look at what happened. Look at what happened. Price, what did it do? It didn't come back down. It went straight up, and it gave us this. If this was your take profit like I did, your first take profit, you could have taken profit right here, which is what I did also, right? Okay, and then, but here's an interesting part. Now we had this pullback yesterday, and guess what's happening now? It pulled back to this point, right? Price was still above the trap zone right here, right? But look what it did. Okay, right. So, but look what it did. It spiked again to the low. Let me zoom so that you'll be able to see that. Look at this huge spike, right? What happened? It spiked again to the low and pulled quickly up, and guess what's happening? The same thing is happening again. Price is consolidating higher than this trap zone right here. Higher than this trap zone right here. So it's giving us both the patterns, half a Batman and a full Batman. It first gave us a half a Batman and took profit, came back to give us another ear, which is the second ear. And I had a pending buy limit somewhere here, and for some stupid reason, I removed it. And man, these are one of the days when you really feel stupid and you wonder, what is it? What's wrong with you? Why did you remove that? So I had a pending here. I had a buy limit here. And I will never tell you for whatever reason why I took it out. I really don't know. But anyway, stupid decision. Sometimes we make such things. So I'm still anticipating that price again, it was a perfect re-entry for those that missed it. I'm still anticipating that price again is going to come here, take out this high, and then possibly we're going to come to this high right here. So I'm anticipating that we will come to this high right here, and that's why I'm looking to take profit. Then again, guys, this is not a signal. This is not an advice, financial advice. It's just to show you the setup that when I take trades, what is it that I look out for. And so if you decide to take such trades with me, you do it at your own risk. Don't come back and say Busa said that I must take a long or I must take a short and I lost my money. So this is purely just for showing you that it is possible to predict where the markets are going to go with the trades that we see every day. I highly recommend that you watch the previous video that I did, so that if you are a type of a person that does technical analysis, because this is just pure price action, if you are the type of the person that do technical analysis, you draw up your trend lines, your supply and demand, your channels, and all of those things. I did do an analysis also, same trade, with analysis using technical analysis. So I highly recommend that you're gonna go and do it. I'm not gonna do it again. So look at this. This is so beautiful on 1 hour chart, and this is what we are talking about. This is just on 1 hour chart, just something a little bit extra before I finish this video, so that you can see what we are talking about. Price is consolidating higher than the trap zone, came back again, gave us another second ear, or you call it a double bottom. I really don't care what you call it. You can call it whatever you want to call it. And look what's happening here. This is so skewed. Sorry, guys. All right, let me try to make it better. So what's happening is that price came back, gave us a second ear, then we are again consolidating higher than the trap volume, and anticipating that we shall go high, right? But like I said, guys, this is what I'm anticipating to do, to see. And yeah, so anyway, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Now and then I will be posting some analysis that I do. I'll post also the analysis that don't work out, so that you see that sometimes they don't go our way, but most definitely most of the time they do go our way. And we are looking at gold right here. We are in profit on gold, 36 pips. So we'll see how that one goes. I'm not going to show you that one, so enjoy this one, guys. Until next time, this is Busa checking out.